Welcome to today's video. I sound really bad right now, but we're gonna do it anyways. 5.3 2018 Chevy Silverado, putting rock lights on it. Pulled the whole sorry, pulled the whole center out. Basically, we're gonna take this out, the cigarette lighter, and we're gonna put a switch in right there where the cigarette lighter is at. The rock lights. Yeah, so let me get to that and I'll get y'all up then. Alright, so here's your center dash piece. That's the cigarette lighter that we're gonna be putting a switch in. So I've already done it. Here it is. Flush mount switch. It's got a red ring around it. So basically, all we gotta do is put it in through here. And pop it back in. And then we have a switch. Let me see if I can get this thing in there. This thing's won't want to pop, but then we have a switch right there for rock lights. Here's our rock lights. Put one out here. I can one-handed, well, never mind. Go underneath it. Rock lights come with bolts and everything. You have to wire them yourself though. So I'm gonna start pulling the inner fenders out. Here's our switch, so you see it has a cover on it and stuff still. The inner fenders out. It's a really small Torx bit, T15, for all of these bolts down through here. I'm sure there's more I'm missing I can get to later, but yeah, let's pull all these inner fender bolts out. Working on wiring it right now. No, I've been on time lapse, but working on wiring it. Figure out the switch, and I'll talk about it later when we get to it. Here y'all go. Into the video. Rock lights on the 2018 Silverado. This is 12 rock lights. 12 rock lights on this thing. One under each door, 2 in the fender wells. So yeah, like, subscribe, that kind of thing. Didn't show wiring them, but that stuff's boring. Let's look at my switch here that I have made. Basically looks factory. So you flip that up, and you have your switch. So yeah. Like and subscribe, that kind of thing. See y'all on the next upload.